What's up guys, welcome to Review Hacks. Today we're gonna see a really amazing money making tool, Artoon Gallery Cash Empire. I'm gonna show you its actual working and also how you can get free bonuses. So watch till end. Before proceeding, let me show you how Artoon Gallery works. You have to upload an image to Artoon Gallery membership area. You get access to this membership area once you purchase the product. After you upload the image, this image is transformed into a really high quality canvas. Guys, this canvas is just highest quality canvas possible. And later, this product is listed on Amazon, world's largest e-commerce store. This process is done within 24 hours. That means after 24 hours you upload an image, your product is live on Amazon. And every time this product makes sales, you make $500. That means you can make thousands of dollars just for uploading an image. You just have to upload the image. Later things like printing, shipping, packing, everything else Artoon Gallery takes care. So that is basically how Artoon Gallery works. So this is members area of Artoon Gallery Cash Empire. Every time you upload a photo, you need to fill out this form. We will be filling this form within few minutes. Before that, let me show you this form. So here you type in your name, your email address. Here you select the image to be uploaded, give it a suitable title, description, explanation, and then submit the image. Now before going further, let me show you how you can select images and how you can edit them. While selecting image to be uploaded, just make sure that it is copyright free. So you have two options, either you click photos yourself or borrow from your friend or someone, or else you can download it from any royalty free website. The best way to do it is download it from royalty free website, and that's what I'm going to show you now, how you can download it for free and you can later upload them. So the source which we will be using for getting our images, it's called unsplash.com. You can use any other source, but here today we will be using unsplash.com. So we'll just type splash. So guys, this is unsplash.com. You can choose any of the categories here, or you can just simply type any term related. So we'll type something like maybe bikes. Bikes. So guys, these are some good images of bikes. You can choose anyone among this. Yeah, these are some really good images. Just make sure that as mentioned here, the ratio of the image should be 3:2 and minimum pixels should be 4800 into 3200. So that's what we need. You can also post a photo that is 2:3 or 3:2, that won't matter. Okay, so you can choose anyone you like. What I like is this one is good. So we'll open it. So don't just right click and save it. What I insist is click here and check its original size. So its original size is 5315 into 3543. So that's good because it is satisfying this condition. Uh, so download it to its original size by clicking here like this. Okay. So the image is downloaded here. So the next thing what we need to do is we need to crop this image to the ratio 3:2. So you can crop it anywhere on your phone, or if you have any editor on laptop or somewhere, you can edit there. uh, I will be editing this online, so you can simply type here like image crop. All right, and this one is good. This one is good one. Imageresizer.com. So just click here. All right, here you just need to select the image downloaded right now. So this one, yeah, this one. So click here, crop. Now it's really simple. What you need to do is just click here and select the ratio 3:2 as I mentioned before. Okay. Now just expand this. You can expand it to the maximum. Take the maximum portion of the image. Yeah, take on almost full image. Okay, click here, crop now, apply crop. Yeah, image is now cropped. Don't make any changes here, just click here, resize image now. Okay, so the image is cropped now. Just click here, download image, and downloading will start. Save file. Okay, so it is downloaded here and we are good to go. Okay, now it's the final step. Just fill this form out and you can do it in less than 1 minute. So just fill your name, whatever your name is, full name. Here be careful, enter your PayPal email address, so they will be sending you the payment, so you will receive it on this email address. So enter your PayPal email address. Here select the image which we cropped right now. We'll select the image, this one, open. Okay, and here you can get a preview of the image. This is the image. You can click here, you can view this. Okay. You can give a suitable title to this. You can write anything what you feel about this. Like here, if I write this thing, you and me forever, you can just write anything, it don't matter. Description, also you can write anything like this: a couple riding bikes and having a good time. It really doesn't matter. Explanation, I'll tell you. Explanation, what you write is this thing. You can simply copy paste this thing. I downloaded this image from a royalty free website. It is not subjected to any copyrights. So that's it. Check in here and finally submit. So it may take some time because the image is high quality and it will take some time to upload. So yeah, the form is submitted successfully. Now we need to check our email. So there the link is been sent. Alright guys, this is the email I have just received from Artoon Gallery. So here is the link to our members area. So simply click this link. Okay, so this will take us to our members area login. So yeah, this is the photo which I have uploaded right now. This one I have uploaded yesterday. So you can copy this link, and if you want you can do its promotion personally, but that's not necessary. If you try to open it will not open right now because it will take 24 hours to go live. So we'll meet tomorrow after 24 hours. So see you later. Bye. What's up guys, welcome back. So it's almost 24 hours now we have uploaded this photo. So this must be right, this must be live right now. So we'll copy this link. Okay, and we'll check if it is live right now. Paste it. Okay, so now it's opened and yeah, it's looking pretty amazing. This was the title which we gave yesterday, You and Me Forever. And these are different sizes in which it is available. This is 1-piece large, this is 2-piece monster. Yeah, this is looking pretty good because the partition is coming exactly in between their hands. Yeah, this is also 3-piece dinosaur. So these are different sizes, and every time this product makes sales you get $500. So that's it. We just saw how we can simply by uploading a photo and cropping it to the size 3:2 we can make thousands of dollars. So guys, price of this product is $297 from 1st of May to 5th of May 2020. and after 5th of May the price will be raised to $497. So from 1st of May to 5th of May it's the best time to buy it. And if you ask me whether I recommend it or not, I say I recommend it, rather I say I highly recommend it, because this is not any cheap product. It is a product which can earn you real income. And the best part about it is very easy to use. You just have to upload images, that's it. And even if you make one sale you can earn $500. So if you can afford $297 you must definitely buy it. I highly recommend it. Alright guys, let's talk about bonuses now. If you buy this product by clicking on the link in the description, you will be getting the following bonuses: solo ad secrets, value $97, smart CPA offers, YouTube case study, this thing, backlink warrior. So these are not any cheap products that you get for free. These are really valuable products, and these are softwares. I will be sending you the links for this downloading these softwares. Yeah, this Philippa Cache, automatic list building, these are some really valuable stuff, and each of this is worth almost $100. So there are more actually. So this thing, creating bridge pages, 5 Sang solution, getting traffic the right way. There are more, and I will try to include maximum bonuses. Almost all I have, I will include everything. So to get all these bonuses which are worth $1,000+, all you need to do is click the link in the description and buy Artoon Gallery Cash Empire. Send me the receipt to reviewx@gmail.com and I will be sending you all the bonuses that I have within 24 hours. That's it guys, that's what's Artoon Gallery Cash Empire review. Hope you like it. Do like and subscribe.